Let's start talking about efficiency. I am a big efficiency person because I like to get things done as quickly as I can so I can have time to do more stuff or do nothing. Efficiency. What we're about to get into will save you time, so pay attention. Number one, we got a lot of stuff going on under these menus, right? What I want you to do is go to the word edit and go down to the bottom to menus. In menus, you've got defaults. We'll talk about that in a second. And you've got menus for your applications or your panels. Let's just leave it here for now. If I open up File by clicking the triangle, we can see all of the items that are available within basically that menu. Okay, so say for example, here's Open. Now we know that's there. File Open. Here's something I do at university. I want my students to stop using File Open and use Bridge. But because it's just such a normal occurrence to go there and go File Open, a lot of my students basically keep using it. So this is what I do. I go into all the systems at university in our lab, and I turn this button off right there. And I want to tell you, the next time you go to File, Open won't be there. You'll have to use the Bridge. I've been called cruel, but I'm doing it because I'm trying to make these people learn. Turn it back on again. Here's another one. We'll just use one as an example. There's a lot of items under the pull-down menus. Do you ever find that your eyes sometimes have a difficult time kind of finding the thing that you want? So let's just use one as an example. Like you use Smart Object a lot, open a Smart Object, but your eyes take a second to find it in the list. So you come over here and you change the color from none, say to red. I'll go ahead and click OK. Watch what happens when I open up File now. That one is highlighted. What I like to do here is I like to make my own sets of highlights. Like maybe I've got highlighted ones that I use a lot for painting and highlighted ones that I use a lot for photography. You get the idea. It takes some time to put them together, but they are well worth it. Let's go back into Edit and go back down to Menus again. You have the ability in these buttons right here to save what you've done. Because if you don't save it, it won't be there the next time you need it. So you can save your own set. Now the cool thing is if you come here because you wish it would go back to the way it was, you can go back to Photoshop defaults. And it's going to tell you, since I made a change and I didn't save them, I should save those. I won't save them. But basically now we're back to defaults. Let me show you one more that I think is really cool. Andy, I know CS4 really good. I'm really good in Photoshop CS4. I know all the features. But what's new in CS5? Check this out. Go to New in CS5 and click OK. Now watch this. Everything that is new in CS5 is highlighted. You can now go through and find just the things that are new and get yourself up to speed in CS5. As you can see, some things don't have anything new. The blue means new. I love the ability to control my menus, what's in them, and highlighting them. And like I said, make your own. Let me show you how to do that. Let's go back to Edit. Let's go back down to Menus. All right, again, let's just do something really quick. We turn off Open. We change that to blue. We make this one red. You get the idea. It would take you a few minutes to get this thing together. Now, once you've got that done, you click this button here, and you give it a name. Andy's Picks. They will go into a folder called Menu Customization, and I suggest you leave that alone because it's going to be easier to find them. Click Save. The next time you need them, it now will be up here. So I have in my studio system, I have, like I said, some for photography, some for working on the web, where I highlight the things that are most valuable to me. This stuff saves you time. So use it. Now, of course, you have the button here to delete if you no longer want it, and you can get rid of it. But watch your menus, control what's in them, highlight the things you need. It saves you time.